Welcome back. Today, we'll be discussing 10 ways to improve the braking performance of your car just by tweaking a few simple habits. This can not only improve braking, but reduce your maintenance costs. Let's get started. 1. Maintain proper tire pressure. Underinflated tires can decrease braking efficiency, so regularly check and maintain the recommended tire pressure. 2. Brake smoothly. Avoid sudden or aggressive braking, as it can wear out brake pads and reduce overall braking performance. 3. Brake in advance. Anticipate traffic situations and brake early, allowing for a gradual and controlled stop, reducing strain on the braking system. 4. Avoid unnecessary weight. Remove unnecessary items from your car to reduce the load, which can improve braking responsiveness. 5. Brake pedal modulation. Apply consistent and gradual pressure on the brake pedal instead of stomping on it, ensuring smoother and more effective braking. 6. Regular brake inspections. Get your brakes inspected by a qualified mechanic to identify and address any potential issues promptly. 7. Brake fluid flush. Follow the manufacturer's recommended intervals for flushing the brake fluid to maintain optimal braking performance. 8. Brake pad cleaning. Periodically clean brake pads using a suitable cleaner to remove brake dust and debris, which can affect performance. 9. Avoid overheating. On long descents, downshift gears to reduce reliance on brakes and prevent overheating. 10. Upgrade brake knowledge. Educate yourself about proper braking techniques and defensive driving to maximize your car's braking capabilities. And there you have it, 10 ways to improve the braking performance of your everyday road car in the Indian car market without replacing existing parts. Remember, safety is paramount, so practice these tips consistently. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay safe on the roads and drive smart.